dolls, it's your girl American Gyaru, and if you are new, welcome to the doll family. Please stay and subscribe. I have my pom-pom balls, I got my crop top sweater, here we go with the cute little buttons. I'm super excited because ColourPop and Barbie, Malibu Barbie specifically, did do a collab. So I just could not resist, and look at this dolls, like, oh my gosh, look at this Malibu Barbie pressed powder palette. Oh my gosh, I think I normally don't like to keep the packaging. Some people do. I'm just don't want to accumulate things, but I don't know, I think I'm gonna hold on to this one just for a little bit. Oh my gosh, this definitely, I would say, represents Malibu Barbie really well, especially because of the blues, and these shades of shimmer is something else. It comes with a cute mirror, and I also like how they have like neutral colors. Hallie girl, vintage doll, come on, let's go party, and a little stamp here which is like of a rainbow. They have shine on, super pretty. I wonder how that would look as a highlighter. They have West Coast, ooh, that yellow is cool. This pink, ooh, best coast. So let's follow the sun, Malibu memories, Zuma Beach, make waves, boardwalks, surfs up in 1971, okay, and SoCal with another heart step, and I'm gonna add a palm tree. I want to swatch vintage doll. Wow, the pigment, it's nice, very pretty. That's a really pretty color, didn't expect that. Follow the sun. Okay, and then we have this. Wow, okay, so the pigment on here is Dopalicious. Best Coast. Oh my gosh. Wow, ColourPop. Whoa, ColourPop. That pigment is popping. Should we do the blue glitter? That's pretty interesting. Like, really a blue glitter for... Oh. Whoa. Oh my goodness. How much was this anyway? I think it was decent. We also got this, and this is the Barbie ColourPop Malibu Sunset Lip Duo. Comes with the lipstick and it comes with the lip pencil. This looks so like a definite lipstick that Barbie would wear. And then this is the lip pencil. So pretty. So they had different colors, different sets. They had like, I think, neutral too, but I feel like I had enough neutral colors that, I don't know, I want it to be different. So it's actually not that hard for me to do that, but I did go ahead and put myself in some contacts just to give it a little bit more of the Barbie look. So my eyes are lighter, and hopefully the eyeshadows will definitely pop. I'm going with a darker shade because, again, Malibu Barbie, Barbie Ken, out in the sun. I can imagine them in their little Barbie's pink convertible, top down, sun shining. So I got the Born This Way Natural Beige. And then I also got the concealer. So I'm gonna start with that. Bring it down my neck so it doesn't look too off as far as like the shade from my current color. I actually did take a walk today. I got a little bit of sun, which is a shocker to me too. So I actually got a little bit, I think I definitely got a little bit of a tan for sure. All right, so pretty natural. I actually took my eyelashes off because, yeah, I need to see what I'm doing. And I'm using also Too Faced. I just love Too Faced products, you know, now that I'm using them again. Like, just pretty much all their products, to be honest, but except for their eyeshadow. Like, I don't think their eyeshadow actually... I mean, it's cute. I love their packaging. I love all the extra added benefits, like the scents, cute packaging, messages. But the eyeshadow formulas, I don't know. It's like, so far, they've all been pretty streakish. Now, step 2, I am putting on some concealer. Step 3, I'm going to be using my contour bronzer. So this is Too Faced as well, Chocolate Gold Soleil Longwear Gilded Bronzer, and it's made with 100% natural cocoa powder and real gold. I love gold. And that's how the color looks. Hopefully I can create somewhat of a fake tan. I'm actually going to bring up the bronzer all the way up my forehead. Contour my nose. I'm using this brush I got from Morphe. And then I am going to use this Airspun to bake. I had to go with the Barbie color that I remember growing up as far as how Barbie looked, even though I rarely played with her. I might have had one doll. I've always liked like softer dolls like Raggedy Ann, which now I know is like Annabelle, so I'm really like disgusted. My little childhood dreams are broken. Yeah, I think ColourPop is definitely representing their name very well because yeah, this color is popping. The ColourPop Barbie lipstick, which I did mention, of course, and I love how they have this cute little like Barbie keepsake. I will just say this goes on it's very melted, very pigmented. Wow, this lipstick just glides right on. So I just love it. It's like they almost have like a softer, meltier type of formula. Whenever using these types of colors, your teeth always look a lot more brighter. So your smile looks a lot more, you know, like, ah. So yeah, I like this color. We're gonna go ahead and focus on the eyes. So done. This is White Shadow Scent. So it's a liquid form, but it dries as a powder. Oh, I definitely wanted to use this eyeshadow so that the eyeshadows that I put on pop. And of course it does brighten my eye. I'm using this as a shadow base. I do want to have like a deeper set eye. So I'm actually gonna try something like an extra step so that my crease will not be like right here. I kind of want my crease to be like here. So I'm going to use the color Zuma Beach. Yes. And I'm going to put this on the outside. And I just look at this pigment. Unreal. Okay. So that's that extra step. And I'm going to just clean it up a little bit here. So I want to use the Best Coast, which is this pink color right here. And start in the middle. Okay, so the pigment is so wonderful and lovely. Absolutely love it. And then what I want to do is, I do want to add some light shimmer, so I'm going to go with this one by more of the corner of the eyes, and this color is called Follow the Sun. The glitter is really, the shimmers are definitely showing up. Vintage Doll, I'm going to put that on the bottom. I'm going to use my black eyeliner, and I'm using these like as guides. So I'm going to use this white eyeliner. This is a KVD white eyeliner. And I'm going to actually create another crease, a white crease. I'm going to use the white eyeshadow to, oh great, it's got brown on it. Doo-doos. So I'm basically using this white eyeshadow and trying to be as steady as possible to create another crease. challenge, but we're always up for a good challenge, aren't we, dolls? And then the blue color I'm using is Malibu Memories. Okay, so I'm going to do the eyeliner. I'm going to do it on the bottom. I'm going to move it like close to my eye, and then I'm going to slowly, gradually move it outward to my bottom, my non-existent bottom hairline. So I'll be right back. I'm going to get white eyeliner, put on the bottom, let that dry for a little bit. I'm going to put some more blue. Up. And I just want to say sorry, dolls. Today I'm not as chatty, which maybe that could be a good thing for you, dolls. I just like, my personality is quite the contradiction, to be quite frank. Some days I'm like super chatty, I'm like talking bubbles, got lots to say, a lot of nothingness to say, or the types of topics I talk about anyway is kind of off the wall, or but then on the other days, I'm just super chill. And honestly, you guys are not going to believe this, but there are days when I don't talk very much at all. I'm okay with that. But the problem is like people who know me, or maybe not know me 100% as well as like my family per se, like they get confused, which I don't blame them, where a lot of times people will see that fun side of me, outgoing side, and then when they see me and if I'm chill or like not saying anything and just literally just like I said chill, then they think something's wrong. They think like, oh, are you upset? Are you mad? Is there an issue or anything like that? And there's really not. It's just my personality. It's full of contradiction. But yeah, I figured I'd mention, because I know sometimes I'm like, yeah, and then sometimes I have like a resting bee face, and so I'm like, I gotta explain that. I gotta let people know, especially if you dolls have been seeing me. You guys probably can see that. So, or like switch on, off. Yeah, that's pretty normal for me. I'm gonna put my eyelashes on, and then I'll do my eyebrows, and then, you know, and do some touch-ups, and then we will grade our final review. Yeah, so anyways, before I forget, yeah, so I was just saying that because I don't want you dolls to think like, you know what I mean? Oh, then why is she even filming or this and that? I definitely enjoy filming, talking to you dolls. I just, you know, don't want you dolls to misunderstand me. I already am misunderstood, right? So, and that's just the way it is. Should get some hairspray, make a little wave. So I guess that would be like what, Skater Barbie? I don't know, Skater Malibu Barbie. And then I'm going to put some gloss on. I'm gonna use this Pow. And just put some just in the center area. Again, sun-kissed. Right. All right, dolls, so basically, yeah, this is my Barbie look. Okay, dolls, well, it was super chill today, I know, but I definitely, the makeup does not show it. So again, here's an example how contradictory I am. My final thoughts is that, dolls, whether you are a collector of Barbie or not, and you are looking for maybe some inspiration or to add to your collection, then I highly recommend this Barbie ColourPop, Malibu Barbie ColourPop eyeshadow. I think it's so lovely. It's definitely got all the different colors that you need so that you can be inspired definitely all summer long. I just like the feeling of and the texture, the pigment of the eyeshadows. I like the color scheme that they have. I love the names of them. So I definitely again recommend. Even their lipstick and their lip liner, I absolutely love it as well. So I definitely want to see more ColourPop, I know, in my own collection. Love you dolls, again, I can't say enough, and I will definitely talk to you dolls in the next video. And have a great day or night.